Hello and welcome back. I'm your host Raffaele, and whether you're a student preparing for your big day or just a curious learning, you're in the right place. In this series, we're tackling one of the most sought after topics state exams questions. We'll break down each question, provide outlines, and delve deep into understanding the core concept behind each one. This is designed to boost your confidence, enhance your understanding, and equip you with the knowledge you need to ace your exams. So, whether you're revising for your state exams or you're here out of academic curiosity, there is something for everyone. Let's dive in and conquer those state exam questions together. Question number 1 in research methods: the process of discovery in psychology, scientific method, and its use. But let us go in depth. The first point: discovery, unveiling the mysteries of the mind. Subpoint A: the spark of curiosity. Have you ever asked yourself, why do we do what we do? Well, that's curiosity speaking for you. It is the innate desire to unravel the unknown that makes us who we are. Humans and also explorers. In our beloved field of psychology, curiosity is that initial flame that gets researchers diving into the intricacies of human behavior and cognition. Subpoint B: standing on the shoulders of giants. But what does this mean? Well, remember, we are not reinventing the wheel here. The role of preexisting knowledge is absolutely fundamental. Discoveries often emerge from the bedrock of what we already know. Let us reminisce about our pal, Ivan Pavlov. His drooling dogs weren't just a random aha moment. They were a continuation of the story of classical conditioning, setting the stage for an even deeper explorations into learning. Subpoint C: from spark to blueprint, or rather, the systematic nature of discovery. Our journey in discovery, while ignited by curiosity, isn't all spontaneous, it is systematic. Take personality psychology as a case in point. We've got the big 5 personality traits guiding our path as we navigate the vast ocean of personality nuances. Well, I would pick another inventory, but majority of people pick big 5 anyway. Point 2: the scientific method, our trusty compass. Subpoint A: navigating through systematic steps. The scientific method is a systematic approach to discovery that consists of several steps. These include observation, experimentation, and analysis. Observation: it all starts with observing the world with a keen eye, noticing patterns, behaviors, or any nuances that spark our interest. Experimentation: here is where the things gets hands-on. By creating experiments, we tinker around with variables that understand the whys and hows behind phenomena. This is where hypotheses meet the real world. Analysis: once we've got our data, it's crunch time. We dive into the sea of numbers and narratives, fishing for insights, trends, and patterns. Subpoint B: not just for lab coats. While we often associate the scientific methods with breakers and microscopies, it's so much more versatile. This method extends far beyond the physical sciences. It's a universal toolkit, adaptable and essential across diverse disciplines, guiding our quest for genuine, reliable knowledge. Point 3: the scientific dance in psychology. Or rather, how do we use the scientific method in psychology? Subpoint A: formulating the problem. Everything begins with a question or a hypothesis. In psychology, we pinpoint what we want to discover, we lay out our predictions, and the game is afoot. Subpoint B: designing the study. Now we channel our inner Sherlock Holmes, delving into past research, theories, and instruments. This helps us stand on the giant's shoulders, as we mentioned, ensuring our research is well informed and designed. And please, well referenced. Subpoint C: collecting the data. Here comes the fieldwork. We gather data using a plethora of techniques, be it surveys, observation, or even brainwave measurements. Throughout this phase, ethics and precision are our guiding stars. Subpoint D: analyzing the data. Back in the lab, we roll up our sleeves and immerse ourselves in the data. It's like piecing together a puzzle, and with statistical or qualitative methods too. And the picture will start becoming clearer. Subpoint E, concluding and discussing. Last but not least, we reflect. We mull our findings, connecting the dots with existing theories, pinpointing any gaps and setting the stage for future explanations. To wrap it up, the world of psychology is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. It's our unyielding curiosity that sparks the journey and our reliance on the systematic approach of the scientific method that ensures we stay on the right path. Through observation, experimentation, and analysis, we weave in the intricate tapestry of human understanding. So keep this question coming and let's keep exploring. This question, I will provide you with an outline. The first point, or the intro, would be, what is discovery? Why do we need it? Is it random? Is it systematic? Or is it a mix of the two? Point number 2 is to define what is the scientific methods. You can say that it's systematic, and you can list observation, experimentation, and analysis. And then you can also mention where is it primarily warranted. Is it only in science, or is it everywhere else? Third point, how is the scientific method in psychology? First point will be problem formulation, the second, research question and hypothesis, and the third, expected results. B, study design, so you will describe the literature search, instrumentation, and methods. Then the data collection, then data analysis, and finally conclusion and discussions. And this was the outline.